All right, everyone, welcome back to WP City. Today what we're going to do is talk to you about how to make a Black Friday offer or sales page using nicepage and WordPress. This is actually super simple, and you don't have to worry about having one of those fancy plugin editors or ClickFunnels or any of those expensive softwares. So now, Jesse, you've been using nicepage for quite some time. Tell us a little bit about how it works, what you like about it, what it doesn't do, just kind of the whole rundown, and then we'll get into how to build a sales page.
Okay, yep. So we use nicepage for the theme, and you can also use nicepage to design pages. You cannot use nicepage to design your posts or anything like that. It's mostly for the theme and to create pages. So in this instance, creating a Black Friday sale would be perfect to do with nicepage. It has a ton of templates that you can use and a lot of customization that you can do as well.
Cool. And so just to clarify, when we say that it does not do posts, it does do posts, but it does them on like a theme level. So it's gonna make the post template, but a page you can actually edit. So when we go in, what we're doing here is we can use a offer via email, right? One of the things a lot of people don't look at is the power of having a customer email you. Because, I mean, let's say I have 100 people come to my sales page, you're probably going to have like maybe 3 order, okay? If I have 100 people email me an offer, I'm going to have like 80 order. So that's the difference between like a stack of money and like, why is my stuff not selling? And all it is the personal touch. Now, that's one of the things I do, but you can also have buttons. As you can see here, we have it where they could submit. And what I'm doing is I'm doing a mail to. So what we have here is the mail address, and then it has the subject already in it, which is the subject of Black Friday offer or something like that. Okay, so really cool. Now, if you wanted that to be a PayPal link, ClickBank link, a link to Stripe or whatever, that could be there, which is really cool. Now, going through and editing this in nicepage is actually pretty cool. I don't know, have you messed around with like the countdowns or anything like that?
I haven't messed around with them. I've seen them, but I haven't actually done any tinkering with them.
Okay, cool. I think you're going to like this because it's super easy. And nicepage actually does have a Black Friday offer, so we'll link to that in the description as well. Once it loads, what you're going to see is it's going to go into nicepage, and you're going to be able to edit all kinds of things. Now, what I have here is a timer. Okay, so I just went over to the blocks, right, like this, add element, and the element is the countdown timer, which is right over here.
Let's pass it.
Yep. Yeah, so you could do video countdown. And then what you do is you choose what countdown you want. And then you can have like an email address if you want to get early sales or something like that. And then once you click here, it's going to have, what's the date you want. So if I choose the 29th, obviously it's not 14 hours from now because the 29th is now. But you can actually toggle that, and that's going to be based on the machine that you're on. So whatever your host is on, you'll toggle it for there. And then you can set the timer, which is good because it increases sales. Then what we have is we have little boxes here where they could see other products, which is pretty simple. You want to walk through them, show them how easy this is to edit so that they can see, hey, this is something I can do.
Yeah, it's literally just click, and now I can change this to whatever. You can add links to anything.
Hey, wait a minute. I just saw something really cool. Click on that again. Right in here. Again. It had a little thing that came up that said edit with Copilot, which meant like, rewrite with Copilot. See what happens if we click that. I don't know. We just got to
test it when we see it. Yeah.
Let's see. All right. We're going to rewrite it with Copilot. Get started with a high value domain name niche. Okay. It's thinking. It's thinking. Begin with a high value niche. That's cool. It's interesting. So you could go through and you can use that. Now with the products, what I did here is I just created a block. So there's like little blocks in here where if you go over to the blocks or the elements, you'll see we had, I think it was the grid repeater, like this guy here. And then there's different colors and different things that you can use, which makes it super easy. So you can have your products, you can have your tools, you can have pretty much anything you want. And it's super easy. So yeah, walk us through like how you built these and how you know how they're going to look and different things like that.
Well, actually, you know how it's going to look because this program is so awesome. As you're building it, this is how it's going to look.
Okay.
There's
Now,
no guessing.
I did notice that mobile is a little weird.
Okay, so for the other aspects like mobile, tablets, landscape mode, and things like that, you just click up here. So laptop, this is what it'll look like for laptop.
Okay.
So it's tablet, yep.
Okay.
And you just keep on going down. Landscape and phone. And you can even add, see like this, you would have to, adjust the, but you can even add other sizes of things.
Okay. So like if they have a circular
TV
device.
sometimes.
TV, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think this is pretty cool. Let's go back to the main display because I think that's what most people are going to be on.
Yeah.
Utilizing this is actually pretty simple. If you want to add links, you're just going to click the little link here. You can add fonts, text, all kinds of stuff there, little icons if you want icons in there. Really cool, really easy to do. What this does is it allows you to use WordPress in a visual way. And the reason I like this better than lots of other stuff is with this, what we're doing is we are editing within our template. So if we use something like Elementor, it's a good program, but I find it to be too confusing and too much going on, not in the isolated theme that I want. So here we're starting with a theme that we want, and then I'm good to go. And the cool part about this is utilizing pages here. I could literally go over to edit page and then go to pages, and then I can actually duplicate this page, right? I could go and I could edit it, I could duplicate it, I can make the same exact page and edit it however I want. It's very simple. So going in here, if I wanted to add new, what you're gonna see, let's just call this like sale page 1. And it's not just for Black Friday, this will work for literally anything, which makes it super easy. So we'll hit edit. And then let's walk through, since you haven't used the counter and stuff, let's see how hard it would be for you to make a counter and a sales page and something that looks pretty good. Let's say we have, 2 or 3 products or something like that. And then just tell us what you're doing too so we can see.
Okay, so I'm just going to add the element to the block. We want the counter, so this one, count down. And we can pick I like this one.
It's pretty cool.
On the rocket.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do this. So we'll pick the date like you said. Where
Okay.
are we going for this?
So he has a remaining time. So let's do everyone. Because what this is going to do is like, per visitor would be, I come there, it's going to count an hour from there. Everyone is like, okay, it's 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That's when it ends.
The counter will remain the same.
Ooh, wait a minute. After count, do nothing. What else does that do?
Show up
Nice.
message,
So you could redirect them to our URL. That's really cool.
to the sales page.
Yeah.
Pay here. Yeah, cool. Show message. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's leave it at December. Christmas. Something big is coming soon. Let's change this to Christmas is coming soon.
Okay.
Because that's when I set the timer for Christmas.
Okay. Christmas is coming soon.
Back to our homepage. We could
I would click here to order. Yeah. And then I would remove the free pick.
Image. Yeah, we never want this stuff. Delete that. Trash it. I want to trash all of that. Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Cool.
There we go.
And then what I would do is a black button with yellow writing is going to look, boom, that'll pop.
Yeah, I would change the color too. I want to, where are we going to put this to? Click here.
Click here to order or something like that. And then that can be your PayPal link, your ClickBank, or whatever you have. And then
change the color of the button.
Let's do black.
And we want text.
Yeah, see how that already pops?
Text could just stay white.
Let's
We want to change it to
let's
yellow,
make
though.
it yellow. And then, and the brightest yellow, maybe that one. Yeah, there you go.
They didn't have it. We have to make it.
Okay. We must create the yellow. Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Done.
Nice. So there you have that. I would also make the font a little bit bigger. Fill it up a bit. Let's see, where's that? 16. Let's go like 24. See if that'll fit. Nice. That's
Much better. It's that easy. It's literally just clicking. We could even change him if we wanted.
I'd make him smaller. He's taking up way too much space. And this is how I've made the Blog Profit Network sales page, the AI Profit Scoop sales page.
I would scooch everything up to make it tighter. I don't like all those extra gaps.
Yeah. And this would actually work for a launch too, like if you're doing a product launch.
A rocket launch?
Yeah, exactly. That's what he's doing.
That's why I picked it.
He actually looks kind of like on that movie, the Marvel movie. What's that little fox guy?
He looks like the raccoon.
That guy. Yeah. So now we have that. Click to order. Okay, cool. And go ahead and you can change the font color on the timer too, yeah? Yeah, looks like you can. Cool. So you can change that. Now, how about like if we wanted to add other elements, like maybe an opt-in or...
Okay, so you could just hit add element there and buttons, images, icons. So you want to add like an opt-in. So they have the table.
Oh, you can even add a YouTube video, maps. This is actually a very, very robust program. Makes it very easy. You got short codes.
If we wanted to add our Aweber opt-in, then we would do this.
HTML. Oh, you could do PHP too, so you could do tools.
Yep.
And then you would just put it over there.
Yep. Put the link in here.
Okay.
And the code in there, and the opt-in would appear right here. Do you want me to add it?
Yeah, let's try it. Let's see how that would work.
Do you have the Aweber?
We can do, let's see, I think on...
I can send it to you.
Okay, yeah, you could send it. That'll be easier. So yeah, going through here, one of the cool things about this is using nicepage, we can actually hide our posts and our pages. So I could do a product launch right here. And I mean, product launches make a lot of money when done correctly. It's something that, you know, you can go through and have like day 1, day 2. What we're doing is we're doing this over at AI Profit Scoop, where at AI Profit Scoop, you have, this is a nicepage template. We have a video, we have the button. This is just an image. And then we have another button, the opt-in, and then that's all they can see. But behind the scenes, there's like a bunch of stuff, like different pages they can look at, different posts they can look at, but they have to be on our mailing list to get them. So this is something where you could do this in a very, very simple way. So now adding your Aweber, we could just grab the Aweber code from, guess where we get that? Aweber. Very simple. Or if you're using GetResponse or something like that, you can use that as well. And then what we'll do is we'll just paste the code right in here. Boom. There we have our spot there. And then we can save this and actually see what it looks like. So view page, boom. All right, cool. So there's our Rocket guy. Here's this. I think his name is Rocket.
His name is Rocket.
Name is Rocket there. Yeah. Christmas is coming soon with the countdown. You can have it redirect. So on Christmas Day, boom, it'll go to the order page. And then that'll go wherever you want them to go. The opt-in will work with your opt-in page. You might need a transparent button just to make it a little bit nicer there. And then everything else works with your theme. So I have my live chat, my links, my pop-up down here, and everything's ready to go. And you can see these work live. Like we are actually using this to make money right now because it's clean, it's simple. That's what we want to do. We want clean and simple. A lot of people think you need crazy, fancy things, but you really don't. You just need to keep it simple. Tell them what you're getting. I'm like, getting the best deal ever is easy. Just email us the product. Using that is going to teach you more about sales than anything else. And making this stuff simple is key. You don't want to have something with a big barrier of entry. You want this to be easy. And I mean, using this, you can make a good sales page in what? An hour or 2?
Yeah, even less time as you become more familiar with the software. But yeah, it's very easy.
Yep, landing pages, splash pages, the whole 9 yards. So using this to create a Black Friday deal is absolutely easy, simple, and fast. If you want to learn more about this, we'll have some templates and some notes down below and at wpcity.com where you can opt in and use, you can get all kinds of cool stuff we have for you about how to make money with WordPress. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Adios.